In this video, we will know that how to fix time zone automatically gray out on Windows 10 and Windows 11. How to fix it in this video, we will know that step by step. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11 and Windows 7. So let's start the video. So guys, you can see here time zone automatically option is gray out. Okay, so how to enable it? So guys, close this window and click here start button, and after that guys click here setting option. Now guys click here privacy option, scroll down and click here location option, and after that guys click here change option. Okay, and turn on it. Now scroll down and click here this option, find this option, and if this option is disabled, turn on it. Now close this window and click here again start button and click here setting, and after that guys click here time and language option, and guys you can see here time zone automatically get enabled. Here you can turn off and turn on it. So guys, I hope your problem is fixed here. If your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.